Today is March 4th, 2024. Yes, I realize it's a bit late. This footage was almost forgotten until I stumbled across it recently. The weather forecast mentioned a little wind, and I thought, why not take a walk and shoot some video? It seemed like a perfect opportunity. I started out at Planet Hollywood, making my way down the east side of Las Vegas Boulevard all the way to Excalibur. As I got closer to Excalibur, the wind was definitely picking up. It felt stronger with every step, and by the time I reached the entrance, it was almost howling. I decided to go inside for a bit, hoping to catch some footage of the infamous timeshare salespeople who are always on the hunt for tourists. No luck, though. Maybe I didn't look like the typical tourist they were expecting. After a short break, I stepped back out, heading north on the west side of Las Vegas Boulevard. While I was inside, the wind had escalated dramatically. I started hearing reports that gusts were hitting over 70 miles per hour. It was clear I was in for a wild walk. Let's fast forward a little here. As I approach the Waldorf Astoria, watch closely as I round this corner. The street sign is flapping violently in the wind, and there it goes. The wind rips it right off. sending it flying out into the street. Let's see that clip one more time, because it's not every day you see a street sign take flight. The wind suddenly went from strong to nearly out of control. The space between the Waldorf and the Aria Resort turned into a wind tunnel, funneling the gusts into an intense, swirling force. It was even crazier as I moved up to the walkway over West Area Place Road. The gusts were relentless, rattling anything that wasn't bolted down and making every step a bit of a challenge. You could feel the sheer power of the wind on that elevated walkway. So here I am, standing on the elevated walkway, trying to make my way over to the Aria. The wind was so strong that my hat kept trying to make a run for it. I spotted a little nook, a perfect spot to duck out of the relentless gusts and catch my breath.
Kind of humorous. Good day for a walk, huh?
Well, we just left Aria. We're going to go over to the Cosmopolitan. I think we need to be a little side.
Down the stairs. Walk over. Or maybe this might take you down. One of these elevators will take you.
We need to go the other way. Jesus. So go back in. I think so, yeah.
And that's exactly where we're going to pick up in part 2. I set up right there, sheltered just enough to get a front row view of the chaos. You'll see people battling the wind, barely moving forward despite their best efforts, hair flying in all directions, and hats taking off like they had minds of their own. And of course, no windy day would be complete without an appearance from a Karen who wasn't too thrilled about me filming the action. So, don't miss out. Join me for part 2 of this adventure. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment part 2 goes live. See you then.